Hey guys, this is the best desk of 2024 with FlexiPoint and Uline tabletop part 2. This video has links that are associated with my product description of part 1. If you didn't catch that, I'll leave the description below or give you a link at the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed, and this video is not associated with FlexiPoint or Uline. These are the products that I personally purchased myself and wanted to share with you. Take care and enjoy the video. All right, guys, here we are, the websites I told you I was going to share with you. These are the links. First, we'll start with the FlexiPoint, the E7Q Odin. You can purchase frame only, as you can tell, $900. And you do have a choice of purchasing a bamboo option, and the biggest one that they have is 79 inches by 35, and it's an extra $320. So with a bundle, well, yeah, it's an extra on top of that, and then you'll have to add this as well. So you're looking at $1,450 for this size of a bamboo top. They only have the dark one. I called them and they mentioned that they don't know when they're going to be receiving the light colored bamboo. So for now, they only have the darker one. Right now, when we're recording this video, it's on July 15th, 2024. And I called them today and that's what they told me. So unfortunately, that's all out. They'll probably get it, I don't know, soon. I don't know when soon is. The biggest size that they have, remember, I have 36 by 96 inches. That's 3 by 8 feet. They have 79 by 35 inches. The thickness of their table is exactly 1.1 inch. The specs is 660 pounds is the max static load. I wasn't kidding when I said that. 300 kilos. Moving on to the tabletop. This is Uline at uline.com. This is the link to my specific tabletop. But if you go and click on the replacement packing tabletops, you have a choice. Composite wood in my size. This is what it's selling for, $328. You have steel packing tabletop for those of you who are interested in a steel top. That would be this right here. They claim the weight is at 138 pounds. So that's how that looks like. And they have round edges. Mine is the square. Here is a round edge. Same table of mine, just like mine, but rounded. I can give you a close-up on that and see how that looks. There it is. And there it is. Just a round edge on one side. The front side, where you're sitting, I suppose. Mine is this one. And it is 1 3/4 inch thick maple tabletop. And the combination wood that they use, I called to confirm this, is maple, birch, and beech wood. And it ran me $583.